Hey guys, yeah, is you ready for another snow day? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, look how deep it is. You see the car? How deep it is? See? You saw the snow? Yeah, I saw snow. It's all snow. Yeah, but number over there, and there's an even bigger part over there now. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's an even bigger pile over there now. Yeah, but remember the last time was almost melted, and then now there's like an even bigger one there. So, who wants to dig their fish into the snow? Anybody? Any takers? That snow tastes like yummy snow. Tastes yummy. Yummy snow, huh? Hey Phoebe, what about you? Wow, there's a bigger mountain over there now than it was last time. There sure is. I mean, there's like a lot of snow here than there was last time. Yeah, Phoebe, are you getting snow? Yeah. Yeah, Phoebe. Phoebe. Hey guys, it's me, Phoebe. Alright, Phoebe, go sit down. You don't look so good. I like cold. Remember last time it was cold? Yeah, I know this was done. Okay. Alright, guys, so what? I remember last time. There's an even bigger problem there. There's so much snow. I mean, why is there so much snow? Why does there have to be so much snow? I mean, come on. There's the weather be so much snow already. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah. You know what? Why not? Marvin? Ugh. Oh my god. It's deep. I can go deep down there for hours. I'm bobbing for apples. See the big hole. I just left. See? Yeah, my ridge is really pretty. Go sit there. Okay. Marvin is pretty weird. Yeah, you should date me. What? You know, I guess I can bob for apples too. Oh my god. I'm so cold. Oh my god. Wait, what? I don't think you should bob for apples. Because it's very cold. So usually I would be a firefighter, but in this situation, bobbing for apples is my favorite. What about you, Chef Pee Suck? Oh, Spoppy. Owie. I'm gonna have trouble all over the snow. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to travel all over the snow. But I guess I can bob for apples. PB, don't do it. Tastes good. Yeah, tastes pretty good. Yeah, PB, I'll go. Hey, Method was soda. Come on. I'm going crazy. Well, hey guys, I'm gonna eat some of this ice cream. Dad, it's not ice cream. Yeah, it is. Ice cream tastes good. Hey, dude, basically I'm poor, so I basically eat snow. So, tastes good. Hey, Junior, yeah, you know, snow tastes good. You know, I see all snow. Cody, don't you do it. Tastes good. Cody, why'd you do it? Tastes good. I'm cold. I'm too cold. My face was burnt. Now cold. Cody. Cold. cold hazard. Ultimate plant under Snowday is ah. Dun, 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 dun.